Continuously increasing customer expectations related to functionality, robustness, performance, safety, and reliability are driving manufacturers to look for innovative product engineering solutions. To meet these demands and remain competitive, manufacturers need to empower their product engineering teams with tried and tested simulation technologies employed early on in the design process. Dassault Systèmes Simulia's structural performance engineer role was created to fulfill this exact need, to provide designers and design engineers with unique, intuitive product engineering solutions so they get the technical insight they need at the right time for making informed decisions. With this role, product engineers are able to assess the structural performance of products during the design process and intuitively guide design decisions, experience efficient what-if scenarios through seamless associativity integration with geometry, accelerate structural performance validation with unique automated model creation for large assemblies, and investigate product behavior for multiple scenarios with high-performance results visualization, particularly for very large models. Best of all, unlike other simulation solutions, Structural Performance Engineer enables seamless engineering collaboration between any project stakeholders for informed discussions and accelerated product release. Powered by 3DEXPERIENCE platform, Structural Performance Engineer offers full engineering traceability for highest quality as well as cloud computing to reduce hardware dependencies and foster product innovation. With Simulia's Structural Performance Engineer role, product engineers are empowered with powerful and intuitive solutions fully integrated into the design process to foster innovation, and manufacturers can be confident that their products are designed to meet the most demanding consumer expectations.